Oh, it's got that hole. It's bouncing back. I haven't had one of these keyboards in forever. This feels really good. It's so satisfying. I feel like I'm gonna type essays upon essays. Today I'm going to unbox the Keychron K7. So I got this one for my birthday. Thank you, Arman, for this gift. Okay, so make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch in. This is technical for somebody like me. Oh, so okay, if I'm supposed to assemble the little buttons by themselves, I'm supposed to make sure the switch pins are straight before inserting. So this part, I do have to install some stuff. It's got some shortcuts, so I'm gonna try to learn them at some point. Oh wow, I can already feel how deep the buttons are. I'm already feeling satisfied. Here it comes. Oh, it's so small and pretty. Look at it. This is so compact and it's sleek and it's got that feel, that whole feel. I love it. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Arman. I love it. Oh, so you know, these are the tools that I will probably not use, but like you can use this to like plug out one of the buttons in case I want to change it to Windows or Microsoft. It's got a different button from this one. My keyboard just lit up. Look at the colors. Okay, now it's on Bluetooth. I'm gonna try to pair it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. It's connecting. Wow, this will be really annoying long term. These are the buttons at the back where you can just toggle over for Bluetooth. It's got a little thing down here where I can push it up so it's slightly elevated. So satisfying! This is so satisfying! No lights. With light. Disco light. So I'm gonna try to type a sentence and see if it, you know, if it's uncomfortable, like, you know, the way my fingers are, you know, conditioned. So I'm gonna type, I am testing out this new keyboard and so far I'm loving it. It's pretty smooth flowing. Turn on my MacBook and 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I just tell you guys my password?